Sweden?
Sweden. Where in Sweden? We are just heading out of Grönland. Together with Ivar and the other kids that are in the back. And there's coffee here, apparently. There is coffee. Bra. We have Ivar driving today here. Whoa, check that. So this is Vättern, super deep lake. Really nice one. Oh, slowly. Nice. Airplanes. Whoa, hold on. You want to film through the other window there. These are super famous. All kids in Sweden know these airplanes. Whenever you go between Stockholm and Gothenburg, you will always check them out. Yeah. When you are a kid and you drive between Sweden, or when your parents drive between Sweden, Stockholm and Gothenburg, you will pass these planes. There are some more later, and they are really cool. Sweden has really good jet fighter for military use. It's called JAS nowadays, but we had a few more before that. Really, really good ones actually. Ooh, that's JAS, Swedish jet fighter, the coolest. The cool thing with that is that you can land it on regular roads. So the thing in the Nordics is that we have a reason to defend ourselves. And if we have only a few airports and somebody bombs them out, the entire airport will be grounded. So they have spread the landing strips out all around the country in Sweden and Finland, where you have very long straights of regular roads where you can land the jet fighters. So we need special jet fighters for that. Also, we have a conscription army. So these jet fighters need to be handled by staff that are not professional full-time people, all of them, but some conscripts. So they are sort of very easy to maintain relative to some of their competitors like F-35 and so on. Fun facts. Okay. Now we are heading into Kolmården Zoo. Okay, so adventure is different when you're small. If you are just 9, this is adventure 2. And then you can have any color you want. That is of course extremely exciting. Here, are you happy now? Ines, are you happy? Yeah, okay. Oh, we have 1 and 2 tigers here. Pretty cool. There's one tiger. Okay, Ivar. Hey. So now we are at Kolmården's Zoo. where they have like a ski lift thingy where you can see all the animals, such as ostrich, right there. And then we have some giraffes and barbecuing at my friend's place. Fredrik lives here. Here we have all the kids playing games. We have a beautiful lake here, really nice. Right there. Sauna raft, best invention ever. Small house floating that you can go for sauna in this lake. That's the way to do it. Unless you are barbecuing, of course, which you have to do a lot. If you can barbecue, you have to barbecue. It's like if you can drive Land Rover, you have to drive Land Rover. Hey, hey, hey. Ducks. Sauna off there, kids playing there and there in the lake. Really nice. This is Swedish summer in a nutshell, how it's supposed to be.
Okej, så får du nu sitta och köra så här som att det ser på skumpigt. Do it.
Do it. Do. Find a road like that. Hey there, Mr. Deer. That's a deer. Erik 1.
Erik 2.
Erik 2. And then we have the beast in the woods next to a lovely barbecue place. In the woods in Stockholm. Boom. Oj då. Ahaha.
där bakom däcket.
Hela jävla bokskåpet, hela bilen står öppen liksom.
Vi stoppar in prylar här.
Alla får putta där och alla får knuffa där.
Kan man hålla i den här?
Du får putta på.
Ja.
Med din bil. Och så dra och slå. Ja.
Men differentialen är låst.
Ja.
Vi måste ha bättre grepp med däcket också där.
Det var väl...
Säg något.
Får du filma Erik där? Erik, number one. What are we doing? Ja, jag filmar. Jag winchen. Det var filma winchen. Okay. Hey everybody, wave because we can't see you otherwise. Kan man se dem Ines? Iris, kan du filma?
Jag filmar.
Ja.
Jo.
Okay, wait for me. Okay. Ha. We did it. We did it. Okay. Wow. And now we are Stockholm. Driving to the ferry after a week in Stockholm. Ivan, what do you think? Yes.
Yes.
You agree?
Yes.
Oh, tunnels. Okay, so here we are boarding now ferry Silja Serenade, ferry from Stockholm to Helsinki, part of the infrastructure up here. Excellent choice if you have lots of screaming kids, because you can fill them up with even more sugar and candy and stuff in the tax-free shop, and then certainly will be no screaming. Yeah. This is Oxdjupet, an old fortress on the way out of Stockholm to Finland. Really nice here. Okay. We're out looking for the other three kids. Escaped. This one. Boom.
Tappa inte nu telefonen i
Oh, don't worry, Ines. Okay. Really nice ride. You can have all the small islands up there. Here we are on the way out of Mariehamn, which is a small island between Sweden and Finland. Right here. And that's Ines. Say hi, Ines. Yeah, she also wants to be a YouTube star. Yeah. Really nice. And Emil, you're here too. Can you show your hand or something? And then we have Emil. But he doesn't want to be. Can we show your face now? Yes. Okay, then Emil, come here. We are allowed to show Emil. Now we have Emil. Boom. Whoa. Check the moon right there. That's beautiful. And that's Emil down there. For dogs.
Titta! Iris, kuvaa mua.
Okay, so that is Åland. And Ines, film the chimney there. It's massive. So I will now, if you hold there. On the first ship that I worked, I was inside of the chimney picking rust for like 1 month when we were on shipyard, because the ship was up on a dry dock, so it was cool in there, and then I could pick rust there. 1 month all alone picking rust. Really sucked. Okay.
Iris, kuvaa mua. Kato.
Okay,
mä
yes,
tonne,
yes.
koska mä oon koira. En mä sano, että mä oon koira.
Sä oot koira.
Oi. Yeah, so when I worked on my first ship, which was a ferry like this, that was between Sweden and Norway, then the chimney there is the size of a house, something like that, 10-15 meters high, and the ship was up on dry dock, and that meant that the funnel inside was cooled down. So then I was like inside there picking rust all alone for 1 month because they wanted to harden me. It was hard to be the only Swedish guy on a Norwegian ships. I can tell you that. Very unfun. Treated like a slave. But you all have to start your career somewhere. I started mine inside of the chimney. Okay.
And my dad, who wanted us to go there.
Yeah, here is the shipping arcade. Or the ship's shopping arcade.
Of the Silja Line.
Yes, hold it still, Ines. Take a few steps back.
Men.
Ska inte du vara med Ines då? Ines, stanna lite.
Hello.
Okay, I will take it. Give it to
No.
me. Okay.
Okay, so we're now going to the place we're staying at night.
It's called a
And
cabin.
this guy is making me very mad here.
We're going to the cabin. I mean, can you do real takes?
Admin disaster.
I'm an admin disaster.
Yes, a disaster. I don't know if it's an admin.
Okay, here Ines is doing YouTubing.